Hi, welcome back to another easy do-it-yourself dog treat video from WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today we're going to do another easy, simple do-it-yourself treat video. So grab a notepad, a pen, your four-legged ones, because today we're going to be doing a newer flavor in the store, Blueberry Bacon. So let's get started. So everything that you'll need today for the video, you'll need trays with parchment paper. I'm doing quite a bit, so you may only need a couple trays. Board with a rolling pin, a measuring cup, at least for 2 cups, 2.5 preferred. Cookie cutter, your choice. Unsalted beef broth, brand doesn't matter. Same with flour. We're using a white whole wheat. Pre-cooked bacon. We're going to be crumbling up. You're going to need a blender, vegetable oil, mixing bowl, 1/3 cup, and 1 tablespoon. That should be everything. Let's get started. First up, we're going to need our 2.5 cups of flour. Again, your choice. We're using a white whole wheat. We're going to put our bowl to the side. Now we're going to grab our blender, and that's when you're going to need the pre-cooked bacon. We're going to throw a couple strips in the blender. I'm going to throw in a few more because I'm doing quite a few batches here. And then next, we're going to add our blueberries. Next, we're going to grab our blueberries. I just got the frozen from the grocery store. We're going to do about 1/2 cup and add that in. Totally up to you. If you want to add a little bit more blueberry, you can make it however you want. You can load it with bacon and blueberry. You can just do a little bit to see how it comes out. And now we're going to blend it all together. We're going to make sure our lid is fastened and tightened. We're going to do a quick pulse for about 30 seconds. Bear with me, it's going to be a little loud. Our blueberry bacon mix is all set. It's all fined and crushed. And we're going to go ahead and get our measuring cup. Time to grab your tablespoon. We're going to do a full scoop of the blueberry bacon. We're going to add that to our flour. And now we're going to add our beef broth unsalted and our vegetable oil. Now we're going to add our 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Grab our 1/3 cup, fill it with our beef broth. And now we're going to get ready to mix. Now that our batter's all rolled, if it's a little dry, don't be afraid to add more of the beef broth. And if it's too moist of a batter, you can add a little bit of flour and mix it in until it's nice and consistent for rolling. Our batter is all ready. One batch should do about a tray, maybe a 1.5 trays of biscuits. Your choice of cookie cutter. I'm going to be doing quite a bit more since I'm doing bulk for the store. But let's go ahead, grab our rolling pin, our board, and some flour, and we'll roll these out. So one batch was able to do approximately 40 cookies. You can see all our blueberry and bacon sticking out of each bone, ready to be baked. Option, if you have the room, I would suggest doing a few more batches in your oven if you have a couple more trays. That way you'll have a bigger quantity and if you have more dogs. So let's get the oven preheated to 350 and we'll put these bad boys in. So now we have all our cookies in our oven. We're going to go ahead and make sure the oven is turned on at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to set our timer for 15 minutes and turn it on, and we'll come back and check up on it when it's done. It's been 15 minutes. We've let these cool off for a few hours. Let's check them out. They look nice and hard and firm. And for the most important part, the test.